Samsung TV Screen Rotate Setting. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you if and how you can rotate the screen display on your Samsung TV. Step 1. Understand Samsung TV screen rotation. Most Samsung TVs do not support screen rotation like a phone or tablet because TVs are designed for fixed landscape viewing. Step 2. Check your TV's settings. Press the Settings button on your Samsung remote. Go to Picture or Display Settings. Look for options like Screen Orientation, Rotate Screen, or Aspect Ratio. Usually, you will only find aspect ratio settings 16:9, 4:3, zoom, but no rotate option. Step 3. Use external devices, if needed. If you want to rotate content, try rotating the source device like a laptop, PC, or media player connected via HDMI. Most computers and some media players let you rotate the screen output. Step 4. Use a PC or mobile with casting apps. Connect your PC or phone to the TV using screen mirroring or casting. Rotate the display on your PC or phone before casting. The TV will show the rotated image. Important notice: Samsung TVs don't have built-in screen rotation settings. If you need rotated display, handle rotation on the connected device. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more Samsung TV tips.